morning everyone. Back with me, Muhamad Ropi Gunawan, will accompany you for the next 3 minutes in news. The earthquake occurred on Monday, the 21st of November afternoon with the epicenter located 10 kilometers southwest of Cianjur Regency, West Java Province, causing casualties and damage to infrastructure in several affected. Release from BNPB official website, Kepala Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Bencana. Legend Teni Soehartono said BNPB continues to make effort to deal with the earthquake disaster in Cianjur. BNPB continues to collect data on the number of victims, especially in Cianjur Regency. 17 people died and 19 residents suffered with serious injuries. BNPB will place a helicopter unit to facilitate handling of disaster emergencies, evacuation and distribution of logistics to isolated locations. He further said that he will immediately go to the affected location to make effort to assure the handling of the earthquake. Based on the last data in the death toll has increased to 56 people, Herman said when met at the Cianjur Hospital Yard, Monday the 21st of November 2022. Previously, Herman said that there were 46 people who died and 700 people were injured. As many 60% of injured victims are in the severity category. Regency Herman stated that his party needs a lot of one doctor and other medical personnel. Regan Herman stated that his party needs a lot of one doctor and other medical personnel. Herman admitted that his party was overwhelmed with treating injured victims. I am still treating people who are sick or injured. This is overwhelming. I have divided the task of the head of police. Dandim, I am the hospital treating 6 people. That's all news for today. Check in at news for the last update. Thank you for watching and have a good day.